All right, so today it's a 2016 Trail King. It's a TK80 48. So 48 foot by 102. You got dual controls, passenger and driver side, a Wern winch, scale, which is digital, which to be honest I don't think works. The best ones are the old school air scale that has a pressure gauge on it. Those seem to be the best. It's got a lowering valve, 2 flip down steps, one on the passenger side, one on the driver's side. The deck on this trailer is in great shape. It's got polished aluminum outer wheels, 22.5 low pros, which are kind of nice to have on these Hydra tails. Star plate on the top and on the bottom side of the tail. It's got flashers as well as strobe lights, the yellows. Again, you got passenger side flip down step. Center deck there lifts up to load the neck. Got locks that you can rest it on. Passenger side controls. Basically no rust. Again, it's a 2016 Trail King TK80. It's a 48 by 102. Give us a call, 713-675-5922, AA Diesel Truck and Equipment, Inc.